Hello guys, today I am going to teach you about minimum bounding geometry management. And first of all, we have save file in the folder HSK data and CS7 the pack save file, and I will create a minimum bounding geometry using ArcPy. Let's look at the code. First of all, you should open the IDLE Python. Now new file and start writing the code. First of all, import ArcPy. Then after ArcPy dot environment dot overwrite output equals true. Then after ArcPy dot environment dot workspace equals, I have directory of workspace under hska /data/ch07 and input features. You can give any name. I gave it as input features, and I have .ssp file, pack.ssp file in here in the cs07 folder. So I'll write park.ssp and output features. You can give your own name. I'll write boundary output .ssp. Okay, then after call the functions using ArcPy dot minimum bounding geometry underscore management and give the same name here. I will copy and paste it. I will copy and paste it, bracket, then save the folder. I will save it in download GIC and boundary and run it using F5. It will take some time. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, the program is executed and the boundary underscore output will be our output in the folder cs7 boundary underscore output. Here let's drag and drop in the arc map. You will see the output. Let's change the color of the bounding output and you will be clear about the bounding output geometry. This is the park shape file, and this will be the minimum boundary that the shape file of park will take. Okay, thank you for watching. Please keep like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow.